Hello students, welcome back to online class from LP Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Zana Mirza. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies. I hope you all good and healthy at your home. Students, today we are going to discuss about new chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the topic is the earth and the sky. So everyone, take out your SST book and open chapter number 8. Students, you can see here is chapter number 8 and the topic is the earth and the sky. The earth and the sky. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about importance of earth and sky, also describe about plains, mountains and valleys, etc. Okay, so students, firstly you have to know about what is earth. Okay, what is earth? Students, I will tell you about a poster of land. Okay, a poster of land that you need things: chart paper, scissors, gum, sketch pen. Okay, pictures of things that live on the earth. Okay, how many creatures and also natures, okay, natural things, nature's thing live on the earth. Okay, students, firstly you have to take chart paper and scissors, gum, sketch pens, pictures of this that live on the earth. Okay, students, how to do it? How to do it? Okay, so everyone, firstly you have to take pictures. You all collect the pictures of the different things that live on the earth, like human beings and animals, birds, insects and plants. Then after, draw a big circle on a chart paper. Okay, then paste these pictures inside the circle. At the top of the chart paper, write the living earth. You can see here is written living earth, and all pictures paste in this circle. Okay, so students, you can do very easily by the help of this picture which has been given on the page number 41. Okay, so students, you can do. Okay, now come to the next page. Students, let me know what is earth and what is importance of earth. Okay, so students, and also we will describe about plains, mountains and valleys. Firstly, we have to know about earth. Okay, the earth is our home. The earth is our home. It is also the home of trees, animals, birds and fish, etc. Okay, student, The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. The earth is surrounded by air. Okay? The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. It consists of different landforms such as plains, mountains, hills and valleys. So students, as you know, I am explaining in this video. So students, the earth is our home. When you look at the earth from a distance, it looks like a ball. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water, and it is surrounded by air. Okay? Now let me know about land. Okay? What is importance of land? Okay? So students, land covers just a small part of the earth's surface. Land has many uses. We build our houses on land. We can make our houses on land. Okay? So students, at places highlands have a flat top. This is called the plateau. Okay? Plateau. Students, you know very well, we also grow our food on land. Okay? We also grow our food, different types of food on land. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. Okay? Because the surface is different landforms such as plains, mountains, hilly areas, that is hills, and valleys. Okay? It is made up of different landforms. Just I am telling you about, okay, that. So it is saying, you can see in this line, it is made up of different landforms such as plains, mountains, hills and valleys. Okay? Now, a large area of low flat land is called plains. What is plains? Okay, what is plains? So students, a large area of low flat land is called a plains. Okay? Now, you know very well, here is people farming or growing plants like rice and wheat for food is mainly done in the plains. Okay? So, students, you can see here is plain surface. Now, It is easier to grow plants for food in the flat land of the plains. So students, what is plains? A large area of low, flat and land is called a plains. Now, at some places the land rises very high. Such land. Students, what is mountains? What is mountains? So students, a piece of land which is much higher than the surrounding land, that is called mountain. Okay. Students, it is easier to grow plants for food in the plains than on the mountains. Okay. Now, it is cold at the top of many mountains. It is cold at the top of many mountains. Okay. Rivers, like that. Rivers. Okay. Now, rivers and streams start from the mountains and hills. Rivers and streams start from the mountains and hills. Students, hills are highlands that are smaller than mountains. Okay. They can be pleasant and cool. Students, hills are highlands that are smaller than mountains. They can be pleasant and cool in summer and in winter. Okay students, so everyone read and learn this chapter. Okay, and underline the difficult words, and you will read this chapter by the help of this video, and you have must put your finger line by line. Okay, with reading. Bye bye, take care, thank you.